Hey y'all, welcome back. I think we are entering episode 3 of the room renovations, and I thought I was done with Cam's room, but apparently he wants his room painted too, so I'm going to do that before I reveal to y'all his room. But I wanted to show y'all some cute things that I found that's going to match his theme in his room. Okay, so I stopped at Hobby Lobby and I found this picture, and what's the thing there? The little ball lights up. You want to see that? How cute. And then also the lamp they have in his room now is football, but we're doing basketball thing. So look at this lamp. It's a cute little basketball lamp. I need to get some more lamps because I don't know if I'll be able to use the same one.
You call me?
What are you doing? You need to clean up in here. I don't even know why I be setting myself up for this. But since I've already started, I already started in one room. I want to get this paint and stuff. This room is smaller, so this shouldn't take that long. But since I have all this, let me show y'all, product out here in the hallway that I need to take back out to the garage, might as well go ahead and knock his room out and just be done with it. So, to get started, I'm gonna have to change clothes. Put on my little work uniform because I am a painter, okay? This one got more crumbs than a little bit. This is why his room will stay simplistic like this. He's not gonna have much going on because no matter how many times we say, stop eating up here, stop doing it, it's crumbs. Let me show y'all. Like, me and his daddy literally just came in here and cleaned this room up. Look at all these crumbs. It's just, look at this. All on the floor. Like, we literally just cleaned this whole entire room out. And there's crumbs everywhere. Alright, y'all. So, I prepped. And I'm getting ready to start cutting in on this wall. Oh no, this is gonna be so cute. I can tell already, it's not even dry yet, and I can already tell it's about to look good. I got 3 more walls to finish in his room. And also, I'm still looking for him a rug, and I gotta get him another ceiling fan, as well as get Kendall a ceiling fan, but we'll do all that, you know, as the time goes on. Like, I'm not finna spend all that money at one time. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to let y'all see some of the painting progress while I do it, but I gotta let y'all charge for a minute, so we'll be back. Started his room Friday, and as y'all can see, we got the walls painted. For the most part, I got this last wall over here to do. And y'all call me lazy, call me whatever, but I am not taking that TV mount back out the wall because it was already hard to find the studs and everything. So I'm not taking it out. Shit, TV gonna be up there anyway. You can go see it. I got about a quarter of paint left in this can, and I've done Kendall's room as well as this room. But in all fairness, I started out with a quart in that room because I was only gonna do that one wall. Yeah. Arms on fire. Shoot. This is pissing me off. Is it straight? This one like it's perfect. Alrighty, y'all. So this is how the room turned out. I ordered him this shoe organizer so we don't have to keep shoes on the floor. This lamp, I'm gonna keep it here for right now. Oh, and I do have a camera because this boy keep telling me he's not eating in his room, which I know he is. And then I've got this little picture up here on the wall. To me it look crooked, but I'll fix that later when I get some real screws. But this is what this room looks like. He's got his TV up there. Yeah. So that was all in a day's work. Now with Cameron, we got to keep this room really simple because this boy will make a mess, like a literal mess. So you got to keep his room simple, and I still want to get him a rug to go underneath his bed. So I'm gonna look for one of those on Amazon or Wayfair. But yeah, this is how it turned out. So cute. He got his big boy room. So thank y'all for tuning in to episode, I want to say 3. Yeah, episode 3 of this room makeover. And I will see y'all in the next one.